What up guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a FIVEM server. I made one of these videos 2 years ago I believe, but FIVEM has went through numerous updates and their process has changed a tiny bit. So to start, let's open File Explorer, this PC, local disk. You're going to right click, new, folder, and call it FX server. Make sure the capitals of how it is stays the same. Alright, now we're going to go to Google Chrome, FIVEM.net. We're going to go press make your own server. You're going to have to install Visual C++ Redistributable 2019 or newer. So let's click on it. It's going to send you a download. Open. I already have it, so I'm going to press repair. It's going to go through the process, quick installation, loading. Alright, setup successful, perfect. Alright, so first, what we're going to do, download the latest master branch. So you're going to press Artifact Server, this button. Press the latest recommended. It's going to download. Alright, you're going to press it. You want to press Control A to select all the files and open FX Server and drag them in FX Server. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go back, we're going to press CFX Server Data on step 4. Going to download it. Alright, we're going to open it, open. You're going to see resources, git ignore, and readme. Just drag resources right in the FX server. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to create our server CFG. So scroll down and you'll see this server CFG, like template file. So you're going to right click in FX server, new text document, press enter, doesn't matter the name right now. Open it, press Control V. It's going to paste, save as server.cfg, save as all files, save, boom. Now you could delete new text document because server CFG is going to be right here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to make our server starter. So to make our server starter, we're going to do semi the same thing. New text document, keep the name, doesn't matter. You're going to open it, scroll down, scroll up actually to this. This is basically a template of how to make your server starter. So you're going to do that. Right, and we're going to press up here where our file location is for FX server. Copy that, paste it right there. And since this is a C drive and not a D drive, we're going to change this D to a C. File, save as server starter.bat, that, save as all files. Save, done, delete the new text document. Alright, so now we basically have majority of the server made. What we're going to need to do is do our license key and Steam API key. So you're going to want to go to keymaster.fivem.net. Want to sign in. I already have the highest amount of license keys I can. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press on a license key, copy the key, Control C, put it in the server.cfg, change me, Control V right there, boom, pasted right there. For you, you're going to have to create one. So where you're going to have to press register. It's going to ask you a few questions about your IP. You're going to enter all the right information. Press enter, then you'll be able to copy and paste your key. Alright, so now we need to make a Steam API key. So what you're going to do for this, let's go back. Alright. You're going to look up Steam API key. I'll put a link to it. Alright, so what you're going to do, sign in, and it's going to take you to a page with your Steam API key on it. Then you're going to copy that and paste it into here. I'm just going to write example because you don't want to give out your Steam API key. Yes, it's not something that you want leaked. So now what we're going to do, save that. Should still be able to run without a Steam API key, But when people join that's not on a local host, you're going to want that Steam API key there. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install a basic plugin. What this plugin will do, I'll just install, for instance, delete vehicle FIVEM script. It's a script, not a plugin, sorry. Alright, so you're going to direct download. This is the process for installing all plugins, unless it's otherwise on the form page. Open resources, open this file, drag this into resources, copy the name, because you're going to need the name. Got to go to server CFG, enter, then you used to have to do select start, then the name, but due to their new system with the FX manifest, you're going to need to do unsure, and then WK underscore del vehicle, which is the plugin we installed. Alright, so now what we could do is start the server. I know why this is not working. Sorry about that. Alright, so now it's going to load, allow access, it's authenticated, perfect. What we're going to do, we're going to launch FIVEM. Alright. Let's load up. If you were on a VPS, you will need to port forward it. But since we're not, this is a localhost server, we're not going to port forward it. But if you need any help with FIVEM port forwarding or anything like that, I'm going to have my Discord down below. Any questions, you could contact me on my Discord server. Alright, so we're going to do F8 connect space localhost. It's going to bring us in. Basic FIVEM server. We don't have a loading screen or anything. It's pretty simple. Nothing crazy. I will be creating another video soon on how to port forward, but until then, just reach out to me on my Discord server. Waiting scripts. Perfect. Alright, so this is our basic FIVEM server. We don't even have an F1 menu. We have nothing. So, I can't even no-clip anywhere, but see, now we have the /db command. You must be in or near the vehicle to delete it. So basically, if I was, I'm not, oh, there's a vehicle actually. Let me go to it. My point is, when we go into the vehicle, say we drive it around and we don't want it anymore, don't smash in the vehicle's windows in real life. I do not recommend it. Alright, so say I'm driving around /dv. Boom, vehicle deletes. That's the plugin script I installed. So you could go throughout FIVEM forums, find a bunch of scripts, put them in the same exact way pretty much. Unless it's if it says underscore resource.lua in the file, set up fxmanifest.lua, then you're going to put start instead of ensure, but it shouldn't matter. It really shouldn't. But if you're having an issue with it, make sure to do that right. So F8 quit, because there's no need for me to be on here. Alright, so basically that's pretty much it. I'll make a more in-depth video on how to create an ESX server, but a new edition. And if you have any questions with this video or the previous video on how to create an ESX server, my Discord will be down below, so I'll have an invite, and you could just message me directly on that or go on one of my support channels, and I'll talk to you there. Alright, thanks for watching. Good luck.